Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek, and today I'll be helping you with the page designer option for booking calendars. For this, we'll go ahead and access the booking calendar. To access the page designer feature, I can simply click on that option from the top of the page. Here, there are a few customization options that are available to you. Firstly, you can customize the link for your booking calendar. For that, you can click on Customize URL. Here, I can change the link so that it is more recognizable. Next, I can change the background of the booking calendar. So if I wanted, I could add an image to it, or I could choose from the gradient colors available. Next, I can add a logo to my booking calendar. I can show you how that would come up. And similarly, I can add my own profile picture. Once I've added my profile picture, I can go ahead and add a heading and a subheading to the calendar. So for the heading, I could put in something like my name or the name of the organization. For the subheading, I could put in something like my designation. The welcome message could include any instructions you want to provide, or if you want to give your client or lead more context on why they're scheduling a call. Additionally, you could add your social links here. There are a couple of options available. For now, I'll go ahead and add the link to our website and the link to my email address. I can also change the text color here. So if your organization has a certain color theme to it, you could apply that here. And similarly, I can change the color of the button as well. For the page footer, if you have any disclaimer or anything that you want the client to read, or if there are any other instructions that you want to provide, you can do so here. View my booking calendar, I can simply go ahead and click on the arrow here. It looks like all the changes were correctly applied to the booking calendar. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@onceHub.com or reach out to us via live chat here. I hope you have a good day and take care.